Come on, inside here, Daddy. Before the dog gets inside here. There. What do you think? Oh, yeah.
Hey, what do you got to say? What are you doing?
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Daddy. I am making some flowers.